Hey, if you're a student and your bank balance is always zero, listen carefully. This video can change your life. You don't need rich parents. You don't need a job. You don't need big money. All you need is your phone, internet, and 2 to 3 hours daily. That's enough to start earning online. Because college teaches you how to pass exams, not how to make money. After graduation, what happens? Small job, small salary, big stress, and slowly, dreams disappear. That's the middle class trap. Working hard, but still broke. So what's the solution? Simple. Learn high-income skills. Today I'll show you 4 real ways students are earning 10,000 to 50,000 rupees per month. And yes, you can start today. First, freelancing. This is the easiest. Learn video editing or thumbnail design. Use CapCut. Use Canva. Practice for 1 week. Small creators pay 500 to 1,000 rupees per video. Just 2 videos daily means 2,000 per day. That's 60,000 per month. From home, no boss, only skill. Second, online selling. People buy online every day. Clothes, gadgets, gifts. So why not sell? Buy for 200. Sell for 499. 300 rupees profit. 10 orders daily. Means 3,000 per day. Many students already earn like this, while others waste time scrolling. Third, trading. But don't gamble. Learn first. Practice paper trading. Understand charts. Control emotions. Even 2% daily profit is enough. Small consistent gains become big money. Discipline wins, not luck. Fourth, YouTube. Yes, like this video. You don't need face. Use stock videos. Use AI voice. Use simple editing. Share useful content. One viral video can give lots of views. And YouTube pays you. Ads, affiliate, sponsors, unlimited income. But don't try everything together. That's the biggest mistake. Pick only one method. Focus 90 days. Daily 2 hours. No excuses. No distractions. After 3 months, you will see real money. Remember this line. Your phone is not a toy. It is a money machine. Either you scroll all day, or you build your future. The choice is yours. If this helped you, subscribe. Let's grow together.